kid-friendly TV.
Hey guys, today we're playing with Baby Alive, Play and Style Christina. We are making her this really cute polka dot bracelet, swirled necklace, and these pretty pink studded earrings using Play-Doh. We have this really pretty pink Play-Doh and purple. If you'd like to see how we made these really cute accessories for Baby Alive, then keep on watching. First, let's make Christina a purple bracelet. This is a really pretty purple color. Let's decorate her bracelet with some pink Play-Doh. We can put some polka dots on it. That's going to be really cute. I love my new bracelet. It is so cute. I love pink and purple. They're my favorite colors. Now let's make Christina some pretty pink earrings. Wow, that is so cute. Wow, look at Christina's earrings. They are so cute. They're pink studded earrings. All I need now is a pretty necklace. Let's mix pink and purple together to make Christina a really cool necklace. Wow, that is really neat looking. Now we can roll it like this and make her necklace. Now we can put Christina's necklace on. That is really cute. I love my necklace, earrings, and my bracelet. They're so cute, and they even match my outfit. This was so much fun, making Christina's necklace, earrings, and her bracelet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more daily fun toy videos. Let's see if the babies like Elmo.
Hey babies! It's Elmo! Hey baby! Oh, you knocked that over, baby, over! Give Elmo a kiss.